What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. FishNoob here. So, I just wanted to make a little video, with my bird today. Just because I thought it'd be a cool idea, because she's on my finger and she's just really cute. So, she likes to, be sung to. So if you like whistle, like, she tries to speak, and it's really cute. But yeah, so she never really gets on my finger, and it's really cool that she's getting on my finger. And her feathers are just really soft. And yeah, so here's her full body, which is really cool and colorful. Her tail, it's black, blue, and then going up greenish, and then yellow. Oh. But yeah, so I let her fly around the room a lot, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So see ya.